Good afternoon, everyone. In our previous lecture, we got to know about the issue of solid waste management, the condition of landfills, and other concerns related to the methods of disposal. But when there is a problem, there is always a solution also, and this has been proven by this fact that the once struggling with waste cities has now become the cities with best sustainable waste management practices. In this module, we will look at some of the best waste management practices across India. As per the Solid Waste Management Rules 2000, waste management has technically been defined as the sequential implementation of the steps mentioned, namely collection, segregation, transportation, processing, treatment, and finally disposal through the best suitable methods which are not harmful to the environment. The process of collection involves either door-to-door collection or from the localities, followed by the waste separation into biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Further, it is transported for processing in the form of recycling or recovery to be ultimately disposed of in an environmental friendly manner. Some of the cities which has stood out sustainably in sustainably managing their waste concerns are Alappuzha or Alleppey in Kerala, Panaji in Goa, and Mysore in Karnataka. To prove this fact further, these cities have been awarded with the Center for Science and Environment's Clean City Award in the year 2016. Alappuzha in Kerala has been declared as one of the best cities for practicing a decentralized waste management system since the year 2012. Under the decentralized waste management system of Alappuzha, all the waste is segregated and treated at the source itself through portable and fixed biogas plants in the backyard of houses. The district has a total population of 0.174 million as per the 2014 census and is generating 58 tons of waste per day. The district has a total of 52 wards and has been trying for 100% waste segregation since then, with a belief in the concept of Nirmala Bhavanam, Nirmala Langaram, which means that cleaner houses will lead to cleaner cities. As all its wards practiced waste segregation at source, therefore the district has no dump sites at all. This is an image of a portable biogas plant in one of the backyards of Kerala. For its efforts, Alappuzha was also recognized by the United Nations Environment Programme in the year 2017 for sustainable management of its waste. The other cities which were recognized for the same are Osaka in Japan, Penang in Malaysia, and Kajika in Colombia. Alleppey has also been a three-time awardee of the Kerala State Pollution Control Award given by the state. It was also honored with the Energy Conservation Award in the year 2013-14 by the state of Kerala. In 2015, the zero waste model of this district was also presented at the Paris Climate Meet held in Paris. In this slide, on the left side is the community aerobic composting unit set up in Alappuzha, where all the biodegradable waste is managed in a systematic manner. It has the capacity of converting 2 tons of wet waste into compost in a span of 90 days. On the other side is the image of the water and sanitation park, which once used to be a dumping site but now converted into a composting unit. Another city which has proved itself to be one of the best managers of waste is Panaji in Goa, with an approximate population of 1,14,000. Panaji has also been practicing decentralized waste management since the year 2003, under which provisions were made for door-to-door collection and segregation with the availability of separate bins, and within a decade, Panaji could declare itself a bin and a landfill-free city. A bin-free campaign was also launched in the year 2003 as a part of Together for Panjim to improve the sanitary conditions of the city and to remove all the open community bins from the city. Its secret to success was the involvement of all stakeholders in its waste segregation campaign, along with an improved recycled policy through more tie-ups with recyclers. Finally, in the year 2016, Panaji's efforts bore fruits with the achievement of the Center for Science and Environment's Clean City Award in the year 2016. This image has been recorded by the Center for Science and Environment and is showing the waste scenario of the smaller cities of the country. This also indicates that the smaller cities have already started managing their waste quantity and have been able to segregate a good percentage of their waste in an efficient manner. To name a few, there is Indore in Madhya Pradesh with 90% waste segregation. There is Gangtok in Sikkim with 80% of its waste segregated at source. There is Bobili in Andhra Pradesh with 46% segregation at source. There is Alappuzha, of course, with 85% of its waste segregated at source, and so on. This is another image which again is showing the status of cities regarding their waste management conditions. As you can see, Panaji in Goa, Mysore in Karnataka, Alleppey in Kerala, and Bobili in Andhra Pradesh have been included in the best category. On the contrary, if we look at the capital cities like Delhi, Agartala, Bengaluru, and Chandigarh, they are falling under the third best category, indicating the persistence of the problem. This scenario of the bigger cities or capital cities is also posing a question on city authorities that when smaller cities with less fund availability can perform well, then why cannot metropolitan cities, capital cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Chandigarh, where the availability of funds is not a problem? Thank you.